Welcome back to all computer classes. Student, this is part 7 of chapter 3 and this is the last topic of this chapter, right? So today's topic is calculation in a table, right? We have learned how to create tables and how to enter data in that. When we enter numeric data, we can perform calculations in the table, right? And then we will learn if we make any changes in the numeric data, how to get updated calculation result in the table, right? So these are the two topics that we will learn shortly. So calculation in a table, we can perform calculation on numeric data entered in a table. So what are the steps? Step 1 is enter the data in the table and then select the layout tab. After selecting the layout tab, click in the cell where we want our result to be displayed, right? And then in the data group, we will click the formula button. Once the formula button is clicked, we will get to see formula dialog box. And in this formula dialog box, we will see the sum formula is already displayed. Now we have to click OK in order to see the result, right? So I am sure that you have not understood what I have just read to you. Let's see practically and then we will come back to this topic and read again, right? So let's move. So this is a table in front of you, simple table, right? And data is entered here, right? Now I want the total sum of these values here in this cell, right? So the moment we click on any part of the cell, you always see table tools, sub tabs. So we will click on the layout tab. We will go in the data group and this is our formula button. So I'll click here and we always see this dialog box. This is called formula dialog box. And by default, you will always get to see some formula appearing here, right? So it is written equal to sum left. So all the values have been written on the left side of the selected cell. In this cell I want my result, so all the values are written on the left side. So it will perform the sum of all these values given on the left side, right? So I just need to click OK and result will be displayed, right? So first step was enter the value, then click on the layouts tab, then click on the cell where I want my result to be displayed, click on the formula button and the formula is already written. I have to just click OK, right? Simple. Now let's move back. I just read you enter the data in the table, select the layout tab. Now clear. Click in the cell where the result to be displayed. Simple. I click the cell where I want my result to be displayed. Then select the formula button. When we open the layout tab, we see the data group and in the data group we see the formula button, and when we click this formula button, what we see? We see formula dialog box. When the formula dialog box appear, some formula is already displayed and we just need to click OK. Very, very simple. I am sure that you are finding it very, very easy, right? So let's move ahead and see next topic. So it is updating calculation in a table. Sometime you may change the data or add any new data in the table, right? So our result should be updated, right? So how we can see whether our result is updated or not? Select any cell and change its data, right? We will perform this step first. We will change some data or add some new data. Now select the cell where the total sum is displayed. Where the result is already displayed, we need to click there and then click F9 and observe that MS Word automatically update the calculations, right? So let's see. So this is the data already entered. Simple. Result is here. This is the result. So I want some changes here. So I'll make it 350. Let's make it 394. Let's make it 151. Let's make it 401. So I have changed the data, but result is still same. Means the result is not updated. So what are the steps after changing the data? I'll click in the cell where the result is displayed. Now I will click which key? Come on, you tell me. It is F9. So select the cell and press F9. The moment you press F9, the result will be updated automatically, easily. Fine. So this is very interesting and simple topic, and I'm sure that you find it very easy. Practice and practice. Computer is very easy subject. The only thing required is your interest and your practice, right? If you face any difficulty in any topic from video 1, part 1 to part 7, just drop a message and queries will be solved, right? So see you students tomorrow with a new video, and in that video we will cover all the question answers, fill-ups and back exercises, right? So see you tomorrow with new video. Till then, practice and take care and goodbye.